Hey, thanks for coming back. We're going to go to a group ride today. It should be a lot of fun. I'll tell you why this bike's going to turn me into a convict in the video a little bit. But man, I'm really enjoying this. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Press that like button if you end up liking it, or you want to see more content with this bike and these group rides. Make sure you got your bell notifications on. And I'll get back going once we get to this group ride. It's going to be an awesome day with an awesome bunch of people. Man, I love this bike. Wow. Thank you, Lord. I hope I can contain myself. It's going to be an awesome ride today. John leads a good ride. It's going to be a lot of fun. So I'll get you a bunch of video of it, but make sure you're subscribed. We're getting everybody ready. And there's old Chuck. Gonna be cool. A lot of people I've never seen before. Still gonna be cool.
For the victory lap, though.
Man, I'm gonna end up convict riding this bike. They just beg you to go fast. There's old John, his wife Pauline. Here we go.
Touch burning sands, cross lands, and stormy shore seasons in the year, yeah. Ain't no channel for champions and chain no fear. Yup, the champ is here, switch gears. We keep the hitters in the rear. At the blood, sweat, and tears, and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. 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 I know it's lonely at the town.
This thing's still locked out. It won't go past 8,000 RPM, but man, I can only imagine.
Stop clocks on the speed bag. Every gal under pressure, no jet lag. This is greater than trophies and saluted flags. Titles of fame, the cross is paid. Yay, I carried the cross I made. Deal with the dealer. Baby, the hand was played. New level, next stage. Learn to lead it to legend. Now tell me what's my next stage, yay. I said the champ is here, switch gears. Been keeping haters in the rear. At the blood, sweat, and tears, and my goal so near. I see my victory so clear. And today, we break through. And today, we break through.
You go from legal to illegal in like a blip second with this thing. And it's not even unlocked. I mean, this thing is a weapon. It's got to be middle 70s. It's getting warm just a little bit. Pulling up to a red light real quick. Man, it's been fun. A lot of people here. I sure hope I don't end up a convict riding this thing. So, and then I've got to get toward the house. Make sure you're subscribed. Smash that like button if you got something out of it, or you like seeing these group rides and stuff like this and content with this motorcycle. But I appreciate everybody coming back, and we'll see you on the next one. I've got a really big ride coming up next weekend, so there might be a week in between videos, but we'll do a big ride around the hospital. I live here in Dallas, Texas. You can look me up on Facebook under Ray Bowden. We'll see you on the next one. Everybody stay safe.